classes that we have, all the recordings that being shared by MIT professors, that definitely help me out and will help me out in the future to do some AI ML at work. My name is Abhishek Batwara. I have overall 10 years of experience. Currently, I'm working as an asset analytics specialist with a utility company here in Calgary, Canada. My main motivation to do this program was to learn the depth of all the AI ML tools that we use currently. I want to learn how these things work and how I can utilize them at work for my application purposes. My learning experience with the program was excellent. I was able to grasp all the foundational concepts that's been taught in the program. I love my mentors, and they really helped me out with my questions, with my doubts, whatever I need to make my projects to be executed. I completely enjoyed. Also, I definitely learn all the classes that we have, all the recordings that being shared by MIT professors, that definitely help me out and will help me out in the future to do some AI ML at work. My favorite part was to actually listen to MIT professors, how quickly they were deep diving into the concepts, how they explained things, and then how I can utilize them to actually do my capstone projects and the different assignments that we were getting throughout the program. That made me really confident, and I am now utilizing all my AI ML learnings at work. My key takeaway from the program was to learn about NLP projects. I totally enjoyed my project associated with that. I learned doing sentiment analysis, about how to actually create word clouds of different natural language feedbacks and comments that I get. And I'm utilizing this at work with our technologist feedback, and how can we eliminate our riskiest asset from the system to improve the overall reliability of all the systems that our company has. I think my advice for an aspiring learner would be to actually thoroughly go through all the coursework contents, attend all the mentorship programs, try to do all the assignments. It will definitely help you in developing all the fundamental foundational knowledge that is required to execute an AI ML project. And I think it's very practical, so it will help you in gaining understanding of different algorithms and how do they work and how can you apply them in real life. And I think that would be my biggest advice to anybody, to go through the whole content again and again and be on this path to utilize AI ML at work.